Here I'm going to quickly show you how to make stickers in Canva. So I have this picture with two little bears. I want to make a sticker. So what I'm going to do is to click this image and go to edit and go down to shadows, outline, and adjust the size. And it is done. It's pretty much it is very easy and quick. However, the problem is if there's some words here, there's some space, it's not going to fill the space. So I'm going to show you the next one like this. If I have a words here like Happy Valentine, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen here. If you go to edit, go to shadow, click outline. So you can change the color here. Then you can change the size. So you see, you have to make a really large size in order to fill all the spaces here. If you want this white outline to be thinner, you see the space here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make sticker in Procreate. Procreate can handle this kind of problem. Okay, I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.